Hello to all the Form 5 students. Today I would like to do revision with you for the coming mid-year exam. So for the mid-year exam, I'm sure you got paper 1 and paper 2, right? Okay, so for your paper 2, I think we will test you more on Form 4 syllabus. So let's have a look of the question for the Form 4 syllabus. Alright, so basically for your Form 4 final exam last year, you don't have chance to sit for the final exam. Actually, you have paper 2. Okay, this is a new format. Okay, so your mid-year exam will be almost alike like this. So you have section A, which actually consists of 10 questions. And then section B, you also have 2, 4, 5 question, and section C 2 question, right? So the instruction is you have to try to answer the question in section A and section B and section C. All right, so there will be a list of formula given to you. Example, the formula given, indices formula like number 1. Okay, and then the indices multiply you plus, remember, divide you minus, then this is the power multiply, so divide. Okay, so you have the simple interest. This one is important. We will test you on Form 3 basic also. And then you have the maturity value, right? This is your Form 4 basic, right? And also the total payment, total repayment that you learn in Form 3. So the Form 3 basic also you need to revise for your mid-year exam. Distance, midpoint, and also average speed. Okay, average speed. Gradient, very important. And gradient, we have 2 formula. If you are given 2 points, this is a 2 points given. Okay, if you are given intercepts, so you got to use this one. All right, there is a negative here, negative y-intercept over x-intercept. And latest syllabus in Form 5, you just learn matrix, right? So of course you will be asking how to find the inverse. Okay, inverse of matrix or discriminant. This is called discriminant of matrix. Determinant of matrix. Determinants. Okay, determinants of matrix, which is AD minus BC. Okay, we have Pythagoras theorem. Total interior angles of a polygon. So actually, before you go for your mid-year exam, you have to go through all the formula. Even though the formula is given, you must also go through. And area of circle, and then arc length formula. This is very important. Arc length and area of sector. And we have the area of a kite, 1/2 product of 2 diagonals. Okay, and the area of trapezium, 1/2 sum of parallel sides times the height. And don't forget surface area of cylinder, and then surface area of cone. Okay, so surface area of sphere, and also very important popular question is right prism. Volume of right prism is cross-section area times the height and volume of the cylinder. So all these formula will be given in your coming exam. So volume of cone, volume of sphere, volume of the right pyramid, and also scale factor for enlargement, and how to find the area of image a given area object. Remember, there is a k square. And for statistic, you will be given mean for ungroup data and group data. Of course, variance, and also variance, we have group data with the frequency, and we have the standard deviation. Okay, and standard deviation with the group data. and also probability and complement case for probability. Okay, so today I would like to discuss with you one or two questions. So maybe I try to discuss a few questions per day. All right. So example for this one, set. Of course, you will see question like this. Section A, answer all question. Answer all. Okay. You have to answer all from section A. Section A are all compulsory question. So you will be given the Venn diagram. Normally, they ask you to do shading because they actually focus on more on skills of drawing. Okay, diagram in the answer space shows set A, B, and C. Given the universal set, okay, universal set was given. On the diagram provided in the answer space, shade A intersect B prime. Okay, B prime. There's a B prime complement of B. That means we cannot consider the region of B. Alright, complement means not taking set B or the elements outside of the set B. Alright, then you're asking to shade the region for this one. So how to do this? I'm sure in form 4 your teacher teach you the method of labeling the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? That means for each of the region you will put in one number to represent the region. Got it? Example, like let's say for region A you have a green color, right? And for the region maybe number 2 you want to have purple color. So one color actually represent by one number. Got it? It's just like you are doing coloring. Alright, so still remember when you are in where? Children's house lah, kindergarten, your mom send you there, then ask you to do coloring. Okay, so this is actually what you learn in your basic education, right? So normally we will put the number accordingly, and then only will do. So the question is asking you A intersect B complement. So we will list out A. We have 1, 2, right? Okay. Then B prime, we have all the elements outside of the B. That means we can only take 1 and 5 because 2, 3, 4 is inside the B. So B prime means don't take in the elements B. So whenever you see intersect, intersect means together, and remember A and D. Okay, intersect means we find a similar one, right? So that means the region that you're supposed to shade will be represented by 1. So now let's shade properly. Okay, so your answer should be shading in pen or pencil, but make sure you shade properly like this. Okay, this is called shaded region. Then only you'll be given full marks. Alright, okay, it's easy, right? So let's proceed to this one. This one, the question asking A union B, okay, and then intersect C. So we will do A union B first. First of all, as I say, you label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, union means all the members. Take in all the members. So we have A union B. Take in all the members. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 for A union B. Remember, union and intersect not the same, huh? Intersect is they are overlapping. Okay, have the same one. Unions means same one you take in also, but take in once, right? So your C actually consists of 4, 5, right? So your answer should be, we want the intersect again. So intersect, as I say, is together. And so we have 4, right? We have 4 only. So that means we will shade here. Got it? Okay, this is the answer for number 1, 2. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. So for question number 2, let's go through the question. Okay, the question in section A are all compulsory. Table 2 below shows a study of fast food restaurants of choice of 150 families. Okay, so let's have a look. We have those like to go to fast food restaurants and the percentage. For KFC we have 40, McD we have 34, Pizza we have 18, Nando's we have 6, others we have 2. Okay, let's see what the question asks. Calculate the number of families choosing KFC restaurant in base 5. Okay, so it seems like KFC, let's see, KFC we have how many percent? We have 40%, right? KFC we have 40%, so 40 total we have 150, so that means we take 40 over 100 times 150. Alright, so 40% means per 100, no? So if you simplify, you will get just that simplify. So we have simplified to the simplest form. So what is the answer then? Okay, 150, right? Okay, this is 150. So we have the cut one more zero, right? 60. So we have 60. Okay, that means in terms of number is 60, and the 60 is actually base 10. So we need to convert to base 5, right? Alright, so later we convert to base 5. Number of family choosing Pizza Hut and Nando's as their restaurant of choice in base 7. Okay, where is Pizza Hut and Nando's? Pizza Hut we have 18%, right? So 18, but we calculate the number first, 18% plus 6%, so will be 24%, times the total 150. So we get 24 over 100 times 150, right? So the answer, if you press your calculator, you get 36. Alright, so this is base 10. So let's convert to base 5 for number 1. Okay, 60, how to convert 60 to base 5? We divide by 5 and find the remainder. Okay, 12, remainder 0. 5, 2, remainder 2, right? You still remember how to do? Okay, 5, 0, remainder 2. So when we read, we always read bottom up, right? So remember, you must do until the 0 at the bottom. And when you read, also read from bottom up. So the 60 base 10 is equal to 220 base 5. That is the answer for number 1. How about another one for 36? 36 base 10. We want to convert to base 7. So we will divide long division method. Divide by 7. This is remainder. 7, 5, 35. Remainder 1, 7, 0, 5. Alright, after we get 0, we stop, right? And we read bottom up. So it's equal to 5, 1, base 7. So this is the answer for number 2, right? So I will discuss another question in my next video sharing for your revision of your mid-year exam coming soon. So okay, so stay tuned with my channel. Bye bye and have a nice day.